New York, more encouraging news on coronavirus cases. Yesterday, just over 1% of all tests came back positive. But in other parts of the country, the virus is raging. Florida broke a single-day record for new cases. And the number of U.S. infections since the pandemic hit is approaching 3.3 million. CBS 2's Tom Hanson has more.
Florida shattered a nationwide record for the number of new coronavirus cases in one day. More than 15,000 were confirmed Saturday, almost 4,000 more than the state's record last week.
Look, I think things are going to get worse before they get better.
Former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb says there are indications the Sunbelt's current surge will peak in the next 2 or 3 weeks, but calls an extended plateau of cases likely.
Our recommendations have changed. Now, people of America, important to know you should wear a face covering.
As governors across the country mandate wearing masks in public, U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams defended guidance he and federal health officials gave earlier in the pandemic against face coverings.
It's important for people to understand that once upon a time we prescribed cigarettes for asthmatics and leeches and cocaine and heroin for people as medical treatments. When we learn better, we do better.
Florida, Texas, Arizona, and California combined have close to 1 million confirmed cases. The Trump administration continues to push for schools to reopen in the fall.
Fully operational and fully functioning means that kids can be back there. And if for families that need their kids in school in person 5 days a week, that has to be an option.
But some parents and educators are concerned.
It's a little worrisome because we're unaware of the school, the environment, and we want to make sure that he's safe.
How do you do 6 feet social distancing? How do you do that in passing periods where you have kids going to different classrooms?
Last week, New York City announced plans to have its more than 1 million students in the classroom only 1 to 3 days a week. Tom Hanson, CBS News, New York.